Well. Law and crime. We have Cardi B to the stand. If you ask me, I think Cardi's using this as a way to get off her court outfits, playing dress up and whatnot. But who's to say I wouldn't do the same? Anyway, let's get into this video.
Plaintiff calls defendant Cardi B as a hostile.
So I'm trying to be a little loud. Oh, how did that happen? Oh, let's start this again. I don't know how to do that.
And let's have another witness to call.
I was trying to pause it and show y'all
Plaintiff calls
something.
defendant Cardi B as a hostile witness.
Thank you.
Hold on, y'all. I gotta turn it down. Based off. Okay. Ooh, Lord. First of all, Cardi, you look good, baby. You look good. You look good. That's number one. She looks great. Okay? I love the blonde on her. She gonna have a different style every time we see her appear in this court. Yesterday, or I don't know if it was yesterday or 2 days ago, I seen something online. They said she looked like Baljeet. I thought it looked good. It did give Baljeet a little bit, but she looked good. She had the suit on. It was really fashionable. Today, she's going like peacock feathers with the blonde hair. It looks good. I just want y'all to know that just off of the way she stood up and did this, trying to figure out which way to walk, she's not taking this very serious. This is like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. She's not taking this very serious. Like, this is not something that she is losing sleep over. At all. But let's just continue watching the video. Look, her lawyer. Look at her lawyer. Look at her lawyer. Look at her lawyer. The woman right here. Look at her. Watch. Look, lawyer is laughing. Child, I think that she's gonna not be found guilty. I don't know if they have camera footage of what happened, but I don't think she's gonna get found guilty. That's just me personally. I don't think she is. But I don't know if she gets found guilty, I believe this is a lawsuit thing. So I think she's gonna have to pay her some money if she gets found guilty. I don't think she has to go to jail or anything like that, but she's not losing any sleep over this. Like I said, this is her opportunity to show off her clothing and dress up. So
Ma'am, may I please have you stand right next to the court reporter?
hold on, I had to turn this up. I can't even hear.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause not pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. May I please have you state and spell your first and last name for the record?
My name is Delphine Martinez.
Who?
May I please have you spell it?
The whole thing?
First, last, and the second.
Okay. DELCALFMANZA.
Damn.
Thank you. You may take a seat.
My name wrong as hell. She said the whole alphabet. The face card is eating. Look, she already. Man, I could be in this courtroom because I'll be in there crying, laughing.
Good afternoon.
They had to ask me to politely
Miss
leave.
Almanzar. Do you prefer I call you Miss Almanzar, Cardi B, or it doesn't matter?
I mean, y'all can call me Cardi.
You feeling better today?
And I'll need you to speak up, man.
Yeah.
Hard to hear you.
Yeah, a little better.
The morning sickness. They said she expecting y'all.
Your birthday is October
Cardi
11,
gonna keep having them
1992.
kids, girl.
Yes.
You're left-handed?
Yes.
Are you the firstborn child?
To my mom.
Did you take any medication, drugs, or alcohol that would affect your ability to testify today?
Yes.
No.
Advil.
On the date of the incident, did you have black hair, blonde hair, or different color hair?
I quite don't remember. I do know I had a hoodie on.
Yesterday you had black hair, short hair. Today it's blonde and long.
And
Which one
tomorrow
is your real
it's
hair?
gonna be pink.
Or are they both real?
The next day it's gonna be blue.
They're wigs.
Over.
You knew that.
Sorry, I didn't know that. It's a good week today then.
Boy. Sorry, I didn't know that. It's been 24 hours. Yesterday I had a helmet on right here. Stopped right here, but right below the earlobes. Black hair, bangs covering the front. Today I have a side part, 22-inch bust down blonde, ash blonde mixed with a little 613 with curls. You're gonna tell me you didn't think that I had wigs on? Hey, you know what? Let's keep playing the video because like he really gonna piss me off already. Only 2 minutes in. I'm not with the foolery. I'm really not.
Do you have any affiliation at this time with a gang?
No. Money gang. That's about it. I get money.
Your fingernails, can you show them to us for all of us to see? How long are those fingernails? Just your best estimate. I want you to take a ruler to it, but if you were to give your estimate, is that half an inch, 1 inch?
1 inch.
I think it has to be less than an inch.
And
Way less than an inch.
can you show them to us again?
Now I heard the lady got scratched in the face or something, scratched somewhere, or allegedly that she got scratched somewhere, and that's where the assault comes from. And they're alleging that Cardi scratched her so deep that she had to get stitches or something, or plastic surgery or something. I don't know how long or sharp her nails was that day for the plastic surgery, but that's what they said. Me personally, great move by Cardi getting shorter nails. Now I'm not saying that she got shorter nails because she's trying to prove a point, but if I was on the stand for allegedly scratching someone with my nails, I would have came in there like these. No nails, maybe a little clear paint. I can't scratch nobody that deep with these. So, good move, Cardi. Good move.
Are they pointy?
Allegedly.
These are not.
Those are almond.
To me, are not pointy. They're like circle, oval,
Okay. Are those your real nails or are they fake nails?
fake nails.
If I wanted you to change them to 3-inch nails, how long would it take for you to do that right now?
3 hours.
Well, it really depends. Like these are like glued on, so they will be a little bit quicker. Sometimes I do acrylic, which can last me on for 2 weeks. I will literally have to take like 2 hours to melt them off if they're acrylically on.
Oh, baby girl.
Oops, let me try that again.
Don't try it again.
On December 24th, 2018, do you remember going to 8920 Wilshire Boulevard in Beverly Hills?
December?
I'm sorry. February 24th of 2018.
Oh no, baby. Throw the case out.
Going to,
You don't even got the dates right. Not credible. Get me off the stand immediately. He set the wrong dates. He don't even know what he's talking about. He's lost. How he gonna ask me questions? How he gonna ask me questions? And he's lost. Your Honor, let's throw this case out. Yeah, thank you.
8920 Wilshire Boulevard?
Yes. Answer it. What's the yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Girl, just say I don't recall. Say I don't recall.
Do you know Dr. Aziz Olai, who's in that building?
No,
Do you know Miss Parsi, who's in that building?
no,
Do you know Brianne Saraya, who's in that building?
no.
Who do you know in that?
Well, at the time, I went to see Dr. Finke. I had an appointment with him that day. So that's who I went to see that day. Do I personally know him? No.
When you went to see him, were you seeing him as a friend or as a patient?
As a patient.
When you went to see him, it was a Saturday, correct?
Yes.
And you filled out an intake form and you signed some other documents that he would be your treating doctor, correct?
No, for that day, yes. I don't live in LA, so.
I understand. You came all the way from Atlanta, Georgia, correct?
Jersey and Atlanta.
So when you went to see Dr. Finke on February 24th of 2018, when you went to see him, you went to see him as a patient. correct?
Yes.
And you
Yeah, I thought we
medical
already
treatment
established
from
that 100
whether it's
times.
1 minute or an hour or longer, correct? How much time did you spend?
You need to answer yes or no.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
How long did you spend with the doctor that day?
I'll say about 25 to 30 minutes. Around that time. Not that much.
And when you were there on that date with Dr. Finke, did he examine you?
Yes, he examined my baby for a little bit.
And what baby was that? What number?
Number one.
Ooh. See, now you trying to be
First child you
messy.
ever had?
That's my first
Now
child,
you trying to be messy,
You were
boo.
25 years old at the time.
Yes.
And you're aware that plaintiff was the same age as you at the time?
No.
Besides examination, what did Dr. Finke do for you, that judge?
Assistant. We're not here for her medical.
Exactly. Like, damn. Gonna piss me off.
Did you keep Dr. Finke's, well, sorry, who referred you to Dr. Finke?
I asked somebody to find me like a very like
What is the
upscale
correlation
private
to the-
doctor. So I was like, I need to
The assault
go to
case.
the doctor's
Like-
like tomorrow. Like I feel so weird. And they were like, we're gonna find somebody. And that's just how it goes.
Hold on, because Cardi trying to eat me up. Hold on.
When you were outside in the hallway, before you entered...
Hold on, Cardi, because you trying to eat me up, girl.
Did you see this...
My face
individual,
cards
Amani
see,
Ellis,
too.
in the hallway?
She was waiting for she was right in front. As soon as the door of the elevator opened, she was waiting, I guess, for the elevator. She was going inside the elevator.
And you were coming outside of the elevator?
Yes.
Do you know approximately what time it was when this occurred?
No.
About, I guess, like in the afternoon, 1 o'clock, around there. Yeah.
You can ask me these questions because I genuinely would not know the answers to it. How would I? This is how many years ago? I don't even know what I was doing 2 hours ago. Talking about some 5 years
Have
ago.
you ever seen Dr. Finke either before or after February 24th of 2018?
No.
I would have been. I don't recall.
When you went to Dr. Finke's office, your security guard drove you there?
Yes.
And his name is Karan Newton?
He was my security guard.
Oh, why is it?
Yes.
Girl, that's gonna
Did
be
you have more
like,
than
girl.
It depends, but he was just my main point, yes, at the time.
Did he go up with you?
Is that like lighting?
No, I didn't want him to know that I was going to an OBGYN.
Like, why
Did
is
you
it
want
not?
your security guard to know that?
No,
Like, it's making my makeup look ash.
I don't. Well, first and first, I didn't want people to know that I was pregnant. Second, I was a little like, I don't want a guy that I work with to know I'm going to a vagina doctor.
Right, that ain't his business. Ain't wrong.
Citizens arrest!
All these ads, bro, for real. You ain't wrong, Queen.
Did you trust your security guard?
Yeah.
In certain ways, yes. In certain ways, no.
To know that I'm going to the
I don't-
OBG,
I don't know. Sometimes you
ABCD.
just really don't trust
Like-
everybody in your business. You don't want everybody in your business.
Exactly. I'm a celebrity. People gonna try to
Do you
sell that
remember
to the
what
press.
floor you were on when you
It's a lot of that, like this.
The 5th floor.
You know, you gotta keep it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it private.
At any time did your security guard come into the building after learning about there being some kind of incident in the building?
Sir, what's
He
the
was waiting for
correlation?
me, like, not necessarily like inside. He was like waiting for me, like by the exit, like by the door. Around there, yeah.
Like, do you remember the building?
Yes.
You remember
Well,
the-
I kind of remember, but I do know that he was waiting for me by the door.
And you're talking about the lobby area where you
Yes.
take the stairs up?
Mm-hmm.
So
The
he was
lobby.
inside the building or right outside?
I don't really recall, but he was like, maybe it wasn't the inside, it wasn't the outside, but he wasn't like in, like deep in. He was like waiting for me by the door. And the door, he had it open.
Pause. 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 Anyway,
For me to come out.
continue, sister.
All right. So would you consider that your security guard was with you at the time, whether it was upstairs, downstairs? In your mind, would you agree that your security guard was with you at the building? Is that fair? Was your security guard with you in the lobby of the building at 8920 Wilshire Boulevard on February 24, 2018?
In the lobby, yes, when I was exiting. When I was
But
exiting.
He was in the lobby with you.
In the
right?
lobby. I can't say he was with me because we was leaving. He never went upstairs, so.
Do you know if your security guard, Karan Newton, spoke with Miss Ellis at any time that day?
He did not tell me he spoke to her at all.
Do you know if he did?
He told me he didn't. So I'm
Did
gonna
you
go with
ask
his
him?
word. No, because I was like, I told him like what happened upstairs. He was like, damn, I should have went upstairs. But he never told me that he spoke or seen her, so I wouldn't know.
You came to this courthouse with another fine gentleman security guard, correct?
Yes.
And when you go to different places with your security guard, if an incident occurs where you're threatened, or you're injured, or anything happens,
Yes.
aren't they supposed to come help you?
Well,
Why don't we move on?
You don't have to answer. When the incident occurred, did you call your security guard or send him a text message or do anything to let your security guard who was with you know that something happened where you wanted his help?
Objection. Argumentative witness.
I told him like, yo, you wouldn't even believe what just happened upstairs. And he was like, what happened? And I practically told him like, I'll tell you later, like when I leave. I'm like, wait for me. But I told him like, wait for me downstairs, like by the door. And that's what I told him.
I believe you.
If
Check out the stand.
you were in any danger,
Now.
would you call your security guard or would you call the police or would you call both? Or do nothing?
What are you trying to say about me, sir?
Did you
What is
feel
it that you're
you were in
opposing right
danger
now?
on February 24th, 2018 when you were upstairs on the 5th floor?
For like those 50 seconds, yeah. After I went to my appointment and like the argument just passed me, I didn't even mind it anymore.
Did your attorney show you the photograph of Dr. Finke to refresh your recollection as to who the doctor was that you saw on that day?
Yes.
And you had a different set of attorneys before, in 2022 and 2023. Did they do the same thing?
No, they didn't.
So, do you know what's discovery?
The internet?
Yes.
What are form interrogatories?
What did he say?
I don't know what that means.
What is special?
No, bro. What is he talking about?
I do not know.
What are requests for admissions? Is that fair?
Take
You
this
don't
lady off the stand, bro.
know? You do know?
No.
And when your attorney responded to the written discovery on your behalf, did he or she show you the discovery?
Our future won't be handed to
God
us.
damn.
We will build it. But how can we? When the education...
Responses. Did they email you a copy of it?
I'm so sorry about
I
that
mean, I would have
washing
to
machine in the
see-
back, child.
What you're
Or the dishwasher.
asking me.
I will show it to you. May I approach your honor? Show her the discovery on.
You meant
Yes.
to me tonight, back. And we ain't gonna get no sleep. I'm missing you. It took
Identification purposes.
damn, it took 7 years for this to start. Oh no, baby.
Dated September
Cakes would have been thrown out.
2023.
I ain't waiting 7 years to get paid.
That's what it is. So I'm going to show you this document. You can take a look at these pages. Did your attorney show you those documents at any time in your life?
Nope, don't crawl.
I'm not quite sure. I don't think so. No. Oh.
And I'm going to show you, with the court's permission, your responses, which were drafted and served on January 17th of 2023. May I approach, Your Honor? We'll show you these documents as well. You can take a look at those documents.
Thank you. Nope.
Do you ever remember receiving these documents from anyone, whether it was your attorney, the attorney's paralegal, family member, anybody? Did they ever show you these documents when they responded on your behalf?
Nope.
This
don't crawl.
one, this
Don't
one I
go.
saw. This one
Sister,
I saw.
Okay.
just say no.
You saw that one.
I don't go.
I want to go over it with you. On the one that you're on the right, if you can look at 12.1. You see the question, 12.1? It would be, I believe, on the 6th or 7th page. And it will ask if there are any witnesses for this incident.
Well, can you
It's not a question.
point it to me?
I'm sorry?
Point
Show
it
it
to
to you.
me. Yeah.
Can I approach, Your Honor? It's on page 5, under 12.1. Did your attorney ask you if there were any witnesses to this incident?
Yes.
All right, we're going to avoid a session.
This is on a discovery issue. On a discovery issue, Your Honor, I'm asking her a question about if there's any witnesses, and it's for impeachment purposes.
All right, let's wrap it up, y'all. Let's wrap this thing up.
If you look at the response, there's a response there in the 50-page document to your left. May I show it to her, Your Honor?
What?
The judge sleep.
Sir, can you identify by page and line? I'm not sure
Sure.
what it means by showing
I can show it to you first if you'd like.
I just, what do you,
I want her to talk about the response.
all right.
That's May I read the question when I go back to my seat?
It's your direction.
Thank you.
Gotta get my thumbnail.
So first, I want to ask you if this is your signature on page 47. Is that your signature?
Wait, let me see if it look better without the glasses. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, let's do that one. I think that
Why am I a Verbo host? People come together from all over to enjoy.
It could be because if it's like by electronic, that's how I sign. Like,
Wait, let me put this in there. Because it's going to be on this side of the screen.
And the question that I showed you, 12.1,
Alright.
just say, do you want to read it or you want me to read it?
Alright, stop playing.
State the name, address, and telephone number of each individual who witnessed.
Come on, so do you want to read it? Art? You read it. You ain't finna embarrass me in here.
Or the events
I don't even know how to read for it.
before or after the incident. That's what the question is.
yes.
As you sit here today,
I don't read stuff unless I get to pre-read it first. You ain't finna embarrass me.
would you,
No.
is it?
I gotta pre-read it, then I read it out loud. So I know that I won't mess up. Make any mistakes, say the wrong words.
Yes. She knows.
I gotta practice it first.
Is Dr. Finke outside speaking with you?
Outside where?
On February 24, 2018.
Outside like,
In the hall.
yes.
He came out of his office?
Yes.
And your response, in 12.1, this is what you responded with your attorney's assistance. I won't hold you 100% at fault for it. Question, I withdraw. The response is, responding party incorporates by reference the preliminary statement and general objections set forth above, subject to and without waiving the foregoing objections. Responding party responds as follows. Responding party may be contacted through defendant's counsel. Imani Ellis may be contacted through plaintiff's counsel. And then it says, unknown staff / employees at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center, including at least 2 such persons who intervened during the incident. Discovery is continued. Were you at Cedars-Sinai Hospital or Cedars-Sinai Medical Center when this incident occurred?
No. But to my knowledge, Dr. Finke works also for Cedars-Sinai, but we wasn't for Cedars-Sinai.
Is there any reason why your attorney or your prior attorney, yes or no?
You made me drop my glasses because I'm so damn confused. Oh my gosh. I would have fell asleep up there.
And at the time when you saw Dr. Finke, you knew his name at that time, correct?
I didn't know his name. And for a while, when I was getting asked by lawyers like his name and like the receptionist's name, I didn't know it because I saw him one time. So I kind of like just forgot about him.
When your attorney asked you for the name for purposes of trial, then you did remember that.
I didn't remember the name. I told him there was 2 witnesses, the receptionist and the doctor. I told him it was a doctor. My doctor came out at the time, the guy that checked me, and the receptionist. She knows. She was there. He was there.
Who knows?
The plaintiff. She knows.
Ew.
How do you know she knows?
Because that's who separated. That's who separated and got in between us while we was verbally arguing.
Who got it between you?
The female receptionist, she came out first
Mm-hmm.
and she started like telling her like, "You're security, what are you doing?" And then that's when the doctor came out. He was like, go to my office. And that's when I just walked away, and that was the last of it.
And 12.1 question. 12.1 subparagraph D. State the name, address, and telephone number of each individual who you or anyone acting on your behalf claim has knowledge of these. You just testified that Karan Newton was downstairs in the lobby on the date of the incident. You also testified that you told him different things about the incident. What is the reason, this is the question, what is the reason you did not disclose Karan Newton's name in discovery?
Because he wasn't upstairs.
Didn't she just tell you that 10 minutes ago? You buzz cut, tight suit, penguin looking mother.
Were you asked to provide the name
Tired
of
of
the
this.
security guard?
Ready to go home.
Your Honor.
Why don't we, I don't know what you're trying to impeach her on, because she hasn't testified to anything that. You're saying it's impeachment, but you're not impeaching it.
Like, for real, Judge. Tell that nigga stop playing.
Did you
There's too much going on in this world. You talking about some goddamn where the security guard was.
All right, the court's going to sustain its own 352.
Not upstairs, obviously, if they got into it, allegedly.
Do you consider Karan Newton to be a witness in this case?
No,
Sustain.
How many goddamn times do she gotta tell you? See, we're just gonna stop right here. Cause how many times do she have? She said this 15 minutes ago. Security guard wasn't upstairs. He was downstairs waiting for her. Why? Because she didn't want the man to know that she was going to the OBGYN. If they allegedly got into an altercation, well, they did. It was not alleged. They got an altercation. Now, what happened in the altercation is what the alleged part comes into place. But do you think they would have got into a full-on verbal argument if her security was up there? He was like, "Wait, chill out. We ain't doing this." Then she says that she has two witnesses, the doctor and the receptionist. Bring the doctor and the receptionist to the stand, please, so we can just let this all end, bro, because he just asked 15 different questions about where the security guard was. Why does that even matter right now? Why does it even matter right now? If I'm missing something, because why does it matter where the security guard was? Why? I'm just confused. I'm really confused. You know what I mean? But I almost fell asleep. Law and order and all of this stuff, I don't pay no mind to it. I don't like watching this type of stuff. I just kept seeing clips of her changing these different outfits. I thought it was hilarious because if I was a rich woman who had to go to court for something like this, I would be playing dress up too. But that's just me. Anyway, everybody stay out of trouble, stay out the way, and this court has been adjourned. Throw the case out.